Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to travel with animals on Swiss Air. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Swiss account, which of course I have done right here. The next thing is, how can you create an account on Swiss? Pretty simple. Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type swiss.com and that's going to take you to the official website for Swiss. Once you get into the website, the top right corner, you're going to find the login/registration button. Click on that and follow through the on-screen instructions to create your account. Now, after creating your account successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Swiss Air. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to travel with animals on Swiss Air. Now, I'd like you to know that for you to travel with animals, you need to contact the Swiss Service Center. And how do we do that? From your homepage, head over to the top right corner of your screen. You're going to find the help option. So click on help and that's going to take you right into the help desk. Over here, go ahead and click on contact. And it takes you here. So scroll the way down and complete the contact form. Now, there are two ways to go about that. It's either you chat with the Swiss chat assistant, go ahead and click on start chat and let them know that you want to add an animal to your booking and they'll definitely get to you. Or you head over to complete contact form. So register your pet for carriage in the hold. So go ahead and click on that, or you can click on register your pet for carriage in the cabin. So let's say you head over here. So enter here this general information. Go ahead and read this on-screen information so that you can get the instructions handy. So in this, enter your personal details, taking your dog or cat with you in the hold. Your personal details, your first name, email address, phone number, flight details as well, and scope of service. Then here are the conditions that you need to read through. And type of animal, go ahead and check any of this. Number of pets, breed. Then inform yourself beforehand about the carriage of fighting dogs and snub-nosed breeds. Once you do that, your pet's age, fill out all of this information, fill out all this form, head over to terms of use, fill out all of this and go ahead and click on book now. Now, once you click on book now, that's going to be it. So you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.